My project is about explosions. Explosions are widely considered to be negative events causing emotional and physical harm to people, as well as material damage to spaces. My product is an installation that conveys this concept. Light easily travels through the layered glass, creating transparencies, hues, and effects of smoke, joined in the center with an X, similar to the beginning of an explosion. Upon further investigation into the original project, a new product was developed. The product portrayed the indirect effects of explosions. It attempts to transform these events, usually perceived as ugly, into something beautiful, something that one can live and adapt to.